In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute everyone in Google Meet fast. If you've ever been in a noisy online meeting, you know how quickly background sounds, echo, or side conversations can derail the discussion. As a host, being able to quickly mute everyone helps you keep things organized, maintain focus, and make sure the main speaker can be heard clearly. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly what to click, what to look for on your screen, and some helpful tips to manage your meeting smoothly. First, open Google Meet and either start a new meeting or join an existing one where you are the organizer or have host controls. Only hosts and co-hosts can mute others, so if you do not see the controls I'm describing, you may need to ask the meeting organizer to grant you host permissions. Once you're in the meeting, look at the bottom of your screen for the main toolbar where you see your own microphone and camera icons. We're not going to use those. Instead, move your cursor toward the lower right corner. You should see a small icon that looks like two people or a silhouette, which opens the participant list. Go ahead and click that icon. A panel will open on the right side of your screen showing everyone in the meeting. At the top of this panel, you'll see the total number of participants. Below that, you should see a list of names, often with a small microphone icon next to each one. This is where you can manage audio for individuals, but we want to act quickly, so we'll use the host controls. Look near the top or bottom of that participant panel for an option labeled something like Host Controls or Meeting Controls. Click that, and a new menu will appear with various settings that affect what participants can do in the meeting. Here, look for the section related to audio or microphones. You should find a toggle or switch that controls whether participants are allowed to unmute themselves. Turn that off first. This prevents the chaos of everyone turning their microphones back on after you've muted them. Next, go back to the participant list. At the top of the list, you should now see an option to mute all or a similar button that lets you mute everyone at once. Click that button. A confirmation prompt may appear. Just to make sure you really want to mute everyone, confirm your choice. Once you do that, all participant microphones will be muted. Let your attendees know that they've been muted and explain how you'll handle questions, such as using the chat or raising hands. This way, you keep control of the audio while still encouraging participation. And that's how to mute everyone in Google Meet quickly and efficiently.